Hello guys, welcome back to another chapter on this course. So in this chapter we are going to see how to optimize your trade exit. Okay, I am taking here an example, our previous example on the previous chapter, how to optimize your trade entry to better understand how to exit your trade. So I have some points that I will tell you in the beginning of this chapter. So the first one, you have to be alerted when you are in a trade and the market reach a support, a major support or resistance. Okay, you don't have to close directly your trade, but you have to be alerted because the market can progress, can breaks up your resistance, as you can see it in our example here. The market touched the resistance and broke it up, then retraced down and continue progressing up. Okay, the second point, don't limit your profits with take profit. For me, I'm not using take profit because with this strategy that I am teaching you, you can have perfect trades and the market can give you more than you're expecting. So don't limit your profits. You have to profit from the entire movement of markets. Okay. So another thing, you have to try to do your chart like as you see it here. You will put all the family pairs here to be very quick. If anything happen on the currency that you trading or the confirmation currencies with this configuration here, three charts, the three currency pairs of the family, if anything goes wrong, you can directly interact and close a part of your profits or close your entire profit. Okay, if the conditions are still in your side, don't worry, let your trade run. But when the market reach a major support and resistance, you have to be alerted. Or if like in this example here, don't worry if the stochastic or the RSI goes below the 15, because we are here in a strong up movement and the market didn't breaks down the previous lower low. Okay, so it's just a short correction. If the conditions are still in your favor, don't worry. Okay, let your profits run until you will have a reversal on your confirmation currency or both of your confirmation currencies. Then in this case you have to be alerted also. I advise you, when confirmation currency signals you a reversal, I advise you to take part of your profits. We can also have a configuration like this on the currency pair that you trading, like this in this example. The market progress up, pull back, then progress up, then keep ranging like this. In this case, what you have to do is trace like that rectangle and wait for the market, because the market can breaks up the rectangle to a short pullback, then continue progressing. So you have to profit of the entire movement. Okay, but in this case, if the market closes down here, breaks down the rectangle, you have to exit all your the entire trade. You have always to look at the three chart at the same time. If the conditions are still synchronized to the pair that you're trading or not. If not, close a part of your positions. If both of the confirmation currencies are reversed, so you have to exit all your trades. I hope you guys understand very good this chapter. If you have any question, don't forget to contact me, and see you soon.